Hi, my name is Kimberly Chanley. I teach cosmetology at Lorain County JVS. Program highlights in cosmetology that students will learn. In their junior year, we basically focus on the fundamentals over all cosmetology services. Examples are hairstyling, hair cutting, chemical waving, all different types of spa services such as waxing, facials, pedicures, and manicures. We try to touch on all aspects of cosmetology.
I'm Jean Sarconi and I'm an instructor at Lorain County JVS. I teach cosmetology. In the senior year of cosmetology, the students work on customers during customer clinic time, and they are practicing for state board so they can pass their exam in Columbus. The skills that the students learn are hair cutting, hair styling, permanent waving, relaxing, manicuring, pedicuring, and also facials and waxing. During the internship program, which is between the junior and senior year, students can accumulate 150 hours at a salon under a licensed cosmetologist, and they can perform services on hair, skin, and nails, whatever the licensed cosmetologist would like them to do. So pre-COVID-19, we were able to have the salon open to the public, is what we usually do. And customers come in and they get full services done by the students with an instructor present. They do pedicures, manicures, facials, hair styling, hair cutting, permanent waves, relaxing. So after they've received their 1,500 hours and they are licensed through the State Board of Cosmetology, they can continue on with their education. At the college level, they can take business courses, open up their own salon. They can do aesthetics, which is skincare. They can master in nail care, and a lot of students like to go on to massotherapy.
Hi, I'm Sandy Hernandez, and I am a cosmetology instructor here at the JVS. I teach the related portion of our curriculum. Juniors and seniors take related. It's the portion of the cosmetology program that gets them ready for the written exam. When they go to state board and they have to take two different tests to get licensed to be a cosmetologist. They're going to take a written test, which is what I prepare them for. During their 2 years, the junior and senior year, they have theory both years. And then they'll also take a practical exam, which is the hands-on portion, to become a licensed cosmetologist.
My name is Alexis Vincent. I am a senior LCJVS student in the cosmetology field. I like the fact that you can make someone's confidence just go up and make them feel happy and proud of themselves. I know that some students don't exactly find it cosmetology their thing, but actually being able to go into it and making people happy with what, you can do just with simple tools. To be able to see someone happy sitting in your chair or anything like that is really amazing.